Hello guys, my name is Katie Sayou. Subscribe down below if you like this.
We're JoJo fans.
Yeah, you can see JoJo. But I make bubbles and it's huge, so you might see this bubble.
Harmony's
slime.
Instagram is Harm Parm. Look, Harm Parm.
No one cares about Harmony right now. She's not a fan of JoJo.
What did you just say to me?
But guys, look. Look at that! No, that is crazy. Look. Guys, it's crazy, right? So you know what? We're going to make bigger bubbles, yeah, but now it's popping down. Okay, so guys, you know what? Sorry guys. We're going to do this.
I love her.
So, see if this breaks. So guys,
Someone's at the door.